Almost in December, and I don't want you to miss this. We are ready. We are like gearing up so that you can have the empowerment you wanted. We're just, as we told you, we're transitioning to something that's better and brighter for you. That is a long-term residual income, but also the ability for you to actually generate from selling those products that you love so much from the Peter Wolfing program. We are not that. We are not an MLM. We're not going to ever be. We are not the kind of platform that's all about finding people to make money off of. Instead, we're going to give you value that you can sell and be paid for. And some of you, like, you've bought Vertex Live and you've never really sold many, or when you did, you got some of the money and you passed some up and you passed the second one up and all that junk. Guess what? It's yours. With our platform, if you're a subscriber, if you have the apprentice, professional, or hero package, you can now earn on whatever level or package you own of the software services that we offer. That is websites, that's funnels, that is logos. When someone pays you, you get 100% if you own that package. If you don't own it, you still get to earn whatever affiliate commission rate you're at, meaning that if you've got the apprentice, you'll get whatever that thing is, 25%. If you don't own the package, you still get to get paid on anything you sell now. There is no passing up. There is no MLM concept, but you can make a lot of money. We wanted to level the ground a bit and make sure you can do one. If you're already used to it, it doesn't even matter because you already passed yours up a long time ago, right? So don't sweat that. You still get to win. So how does it work? So let's take a look. If you look at my screen, I want you to note that regardless of your situation, for those of you that are a part of the English side of our business, you were selling $2,500 packages. If you didn't have it, right, you couldn't get paid on it. And if you were a subscriber, you got a percentage of it. Well, here's what's happening now. The company doesn't want your money. That's yours. You sell any of these, the company is going to provide the product for the people that bought it. You are going to get paid directly. We're going to connect your payment process to this concept. Now, that's our English and our Spanish users, right? We're going to make sure that when you sell your product, you get paid. Now, let's suppose you own this product, this Vertex Elite, for $550. You sell a logo that comes with these other things. The company's going to provide that for you, but you're getting paid directly. But if you own this $550 Vertex Elite and you sell at Vertex Live, if in fact you are a hero subscriber, you're going to get 50% of the sale even though you don't own it. The company's going to get the other half. And what we're doing is we're making sure you can leverage being an entrepreneur. You can win and win big. If you own the packages, you get 100% of it. If you don't, that'll be something where you get a percentage based on whether you have the apprentice, the professional, or the hero package. So some of you only have the $30 package. You still get to get paid on all of these. If you're a subscriber at any of our apprentice, professional, or hero packages, you get to get paid a percentage based on that. So you want to know more about it? Dig in. Look out for our upcoming webinar where we go through it all. And you can win and win big. Be ready for 2024. And what I say, don't wait to 2024. Don't you dare wait. Make sense of it all now. Start generating. Some of you, I just congratulate someone just had like a $2,600 day yesterday. You can do this stuff. For anyone who doesn't have a lazy streak and doesn't feel like a victim or someone has to do it all for them, oh, you can win and win big. So don't miss it, man. It's your turn. You can do this. Maybe you never had success before. Maybe every time you did, you made the guy who you're passing it to rich. Now you can do it. So what are you waiting for? Go get them. Get ready. We don't know the date. We're looking around the 15th, but maybe sooner. December 15th or sooner, all this is in play for you. And easy pickings, easy setup, easy going. And you can sell it, and we'll provide it. Stay tuned. We'll talk to you soon. Look out for the next email coming.